name is Leonard, and I feel pretty good today.
Feel pretty good. Read the article that Leonard wrote in the neighborhood boys. They're on the table. Okay, well, we have our own.
Okay, did everyone get a number? For 201? With indigo in that corner. And we need to be with everything working it. So I'm really proud of it. Right? It's worth it, right? So when I was 15, well, when I was 14, I heard a story, which New England.
Yes. There is so much negativity. Looks like that's all we see. But if we look, sometimes we don't have to look hard. But if we look around us, we can see something good. Right? What have you seen good today? I know what I just seen. Look at that beautiful smile.
Yeah.
I just saw that. Give Luba a ticket. Beautiful smile. Yeah.
My ticket
So what have you seen good, Luba? What have you seen new and good, or new or good?
I have occasionally spent time with my daughter and two grandchildren. And small girl, it was only 3 months.
And something new and good today, I guess people were new and good today.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day. Right. And how do you feel today?
Very tired, I didn't sleep last night.
Oh. Well, after here, go home and go to sleep.
What we've come up with is using a tool. Hey. It's from something called neighbor circles. Neighbor circles are a tool that we've been using in Cleveland. It's called the mapping exercise. You'll see we have 3 sets of maps in the room. And so we're going to count off by 3s, and then we're going to go and we're going to sit in the different groups. And we're going to get to write on the maps, and each of us is going to get to tell our story.
Usually when we do this, we might take a couple of hours, but we only have a half hour, so we won't get to hear everyone's story. But this is the idea. See, there's a map of the world, a map of the country, and a map of your fair town, Cleveland, Ohio. And the question is this: how did you end up in this building? Where did you start? Where were you born? Where did you go? Did you travel around the world? Did you live on one side of the city and move to the other side? The idea is just to tell the story about how you ended up in this building, okay? And what you do is you can, this is all covered, so you can draw. Use this to draw your path, okay? So you need a couple of volunteers.
So it's okay if you don't know that either, but some people do. Some people don't. So I was born at St. Luke's Hospital, which is in the Buckeye neighborhood. Buckeye Shaker, which is
I have a question. You speak very good English. In my view. Right? I can't speak a second language. You speak.
I speak Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Konkani.
See what I'm saying? You met the president.
Yeah.
Shake your hand. Come on.
And I help her take care of my nephews and everything. I was born in the football team. My parents. Young nephew, young son, anything come from my family. Y'all just been trying to, mention that.